Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to give you an update on my mango trees. Start out here with my white mango, and you can see up there, already taking some down, but you can see right there, some of them already ready to be picked. And it's got a lot of green ones as well. I'll show you on the back here. See them right there, it's got a ton of them. You can tell what the size is right here. They're not huge, but they're decent size, even though usually these tend to be smaller, but you have a ton of them. I did prune it pretty well, but this tree, even when I prune it well, it still gives me fruit the next year. Here we have my yellow mango, and it also has mangoes, but it just flowered again. You can tell up there, see all the mangoes and the flowers. No, it's around the 6th or 7th of June. So we're heading there. And then this is my can. But my can I cut pretty much very severely, so it didn't flower. When you do that, it usually takes a year or two before you get fruit again. Now here's the glen, which I trimmed as well. But that one's giving me a lot of mangoes again this year, just like last year. You can see up there. Taking a bunch of them down already. Still has a lot more. And, they're just coming down. I've been getting a bunch of them. And those, to me, the glen is delicious. It's one of my favorite mangoes right there. Here's one that I it's like getting a bunch of them every day. Here's my Carrie mango, and you can see the mangoes right here. Carrie hides the mangoes. I mean, it's got like a very dense leaf structure, and the mangoes kind of hide in there, but you can tell they're there. There's one here, and they start to just yellow a little bit. They're pretty much ready. There's a lot of them inside there. Already taking a few down, and so that's my my mango harvest, how it's looking for this year.